everyone. I am Melody from Bake a Leg and Let's Dig It, and I just got called out by David Hotelling's channel to show what is in my gardening bag. This is my gardening bag. I think it's fun. A lot of people do what's in your pocketbook. We're going to do what's in our gardening bag. And I don't know if David realizes this or not, but my garden center just opened. So let's see what's in my gardening bag. Here we go, folks. I have a mat for my knees. I have bags of seeds that were sent to me. More seeds. Oh, this might be embarrassing. I have my mask. I have potato seeds that probably should have been in the garden by now. I have hand sanitizer. I have my Job's all-purpose fertilizer. I have my flashlight / taser. I have gardening gloves. I also have some gardening tools inside my gardening bag. A while back, David sent me a headlamp. It's in my gardening bag in case I'm still planting that last flower while it's dark out. I have a baggie full of tags that I've recycled. I have another rake. I have this little gadget that I bent. I have a couple of these sticks. I guess I use these to make the holes. I don't know. And another one. And another one. I have gardening gloves. Let's check out. Uh-oh. I actually have a strawberry start inside my gardening bag that I forgot about. And let's check out the pockets. I have my dry eye stuff for my eyes. I have a permanent magic marker. I have my lavender essential oil inside my gardening bag. I have my Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses. I have a nozzle to the hose in case the nozzle over at the community gardens nozzle breaks. Pair of scissors. I have no idea why this is even in my gardening bag, but it's in there. I have a tape measure. I have some onion tips that I cut off. I have a safety pin. Let's keep going on the pockets. I have a whole thing of spool to tie up my tomato plants. On this side, I have another marker. And I have, let me turn it around for you. I have all these forks, knives, and spoons that I recycle that have the names of tomato plants or pepper plants. That's in 3 pockets. I have another marker. I think I'm always going to run out of a marker. And I have 4 of these. Now I just got dirt all over my table. 4 of these that go over a blade of like a hand tiller. And yeah, that is what I have in my gardening bag, which, no, we forgot a pocket. I have a pack of salad seeds. I have a little bit of wire left from tying up my tomato plants. Some more wire. Another wire. Some more green wire. This is just an empty bag of Rebel Gardens. I think I used this last year for to gather up my seeds. And I think that's it. That is everything that's inside my gardening bag. It's a hot mess, but this is fun. Anyone else wants to join in this collaboration, you can tag Bake a Leg and Let's Dig It and David's Hodling's channel. But there you have it, David. That is everything that is inside my beat up gardening bag. I've had this for forever. Someone actually gave it to me and I recycled it. And it's kind of maybe time for a new gardening bag. But this is fun. What's in your gardening bag? Tag us in it. Thank you, David, for tagging me in this. Probably didn't expect to see all that inside my gardening bag, but that is honestly what's in my gardening bag. Thank you for this little challenge. And like I said, if anyone else wants to join, just tag me or David's channel and let's have some fun with it. So I'm going to hold this up now that it's semi-empty, and you can tell us what's inside your gardening bag. Bye, guys.